too kind.
Look at the state of this fender. We'll need the soda blaster here.
Yeah, get the heavy corrosion off first.
Take the tension up slowly.
Looks good, a little to the left.
Okay, set her down right there.
She's in rough shape, completely oxidized.
Yeah, but it's mostly surface rust. It's definitely restorable.
Look at the state of this roof. It's completely compromised.
We'll need to source new panels for the engine bay.
And the rear axle is shot too. This will be a ground-up job.
That entire section of the block is seized.
The wiring harness is totally shot. Look at this corrosion.
We should prioritize the fuel lines first.
All right, let's get the pressure washer position here. I've got the foam sprayer ready to go. Hoses are connected. Check the nozzle.
Look at that patina coming through. Yeah, it's rougher than I thought right here.
This rust is really stubborn up here.
We expected that.
This engine block is completely seized.
We might have to soak it for a week before we can even try to turn it. That fender needs a lot of work.
We'll start with 400 grit on this.
That's looking much better.
Still a bit rough here, but the rust is gone.
We're ready for the next stage.
That's looking good right there.
Get that last bit.
All right, I got it. Hand me the smaller brush.
Look at the state of this grill.
Yeah, this is gonna take weeks to clear.
The engine block looks completely seized.
We'll need to work slowly getting this apart.
She's loose. Start lifting.
Hoist engaged.
Steady now. Easy does it.
Look at the state of this fender. The rust is completely eaten through.
Yeah, same on the running board here. What's the plan for removal?
Okay, easy now. Bring it down slow.
Watch the manifold on the left.
Hand me the torque wrench, boss. That bolt needs exactly 75 foot-pounds.
Hand me the heavier grinder, B.
Here you go. C, did you get the course discs?
Yep, right here.
Let's start on the fender. We'll start here on the fender. This rust is thick.
Got it. Watch the sparks.
All right, firing up the grinders. Careful around the edge there. We want to preserve the line.
Yeah, I got it.
This rust is really thick. Make sure you get that seam right there.
Yeah, it's almost clean.
Good, let's get the primer ready.
Make sure the gaps are perfect before paint.
Absolutely stunning. I can't believe it's the same car.
A true masterpiece.